I'm Leslie Langnaw, Managing Editor of Design World magazine. Gene Roddenberry, the developer of Star Trek series, often postulated the idea that one day we would live in a society that didn't use money. All of our survival needs would be met, freeing us to focus on self-actualization. That would drive our decisions on occupation, education, and contribution to humanity, rather than on the accumulation of money for either its own sake or for power, security, or as a tool to accomplish tasks. Now, 3D printers, which have often been compared to Star Trek replicators, are viewed by many pundits as devices that will enable us to obtain items without having to buy them. We'll simply print them. Therefore, retail merchants will be an endangered species, factories will be gone, and everything will be custom printed to our desires. All designs will be free, and we won't need to worry about copyrights because every design uploaded to specific websites will be donated. In fact, we will be able to alter them at will without any consideration for the original designer. It seems we're moving closer to Roddenberry's possible future of a non-monetary based society. At last week's CES show, both MakerBot and 3D Systems introduced new, small 3D printers that make it even easier for an individual to have their own personal replicator. These new printers are MakerBot's Replicator 3D printer and 3D Systems Cube 3D printer. While MakerBot promotes the open source idea, 3D Systems remains a capitalist. Bree Pettis, CEO of MakerBot, has been a proponent of open source principles where any design uploaded to MakerBot's community website, Thingiverse, must be shared for free. He has often been quoted about his idea of a sharing world, where you won't need to sell things using money as the exchange. Meanwhile, if you work with 3D Systems Cube and develop an original CAD file that you want to post on the Cubify website, you get to keep 60% of the proceeds from any sales. But I wonder if people can ever reach this utopian ideal of sharing everything. After all, someone expends time and energy to create or grow something, be it tomatoes, housing, clothes, CAD designs, and we all need to obtain some of those creations in some way. Money is simply the medium we use to acknowledge the effort of time and energy someone else used to create that item. In today's world, if you don't charge for efforts, they're often viewed as a hobby. Can humanity really get to the point where we expend time and energy on useful things without some measure of compensation? What do you think? Can humanity move to Roddenberry's and Pettis' idea of a sharing world? Weigh in on my blog on the Engineering Exchange at www.engineeringexchange.com.